What I want to do here is I want to show you how our agency blueprint turned Kyra's agency that was doing 5k per month to 100,000 a month agency. When she started, she was basically selling packages priced between 500 and 1,000. She was generating leads on people per hour, Upwork, and word of mouth. She was a specialist marketing agency for lawyers, but 80% of her business was just random companies. She was only getting 20%, which was only about $1,000 a month coming in from lawyers, and it was obviously just her running it. So what we did was we did an initial assessment and we located where her dream clients could be sourced by. And this was what you class as social media influencers, which are actually journalists. People will always look, when they talk about social media influencers, they always think about people selling protein powder on Instagram, link in bio. Journalists, specialist ones within certain industries, are also social media influencers, and we identified ones that she could work with. We also identified industry bodies within the law industry that she could also do business with, and we created an acquisition method, basically doing lead generation to a webinar, then to a free consultation. And we created more packages which are 500 to 5,000 per month. We then went on and showed her how to create the content needed for this. So we created what is called a hero story webinar. We then created an email sales funnel. So that was from the opt-in to webinar and then a follow-up after. We showed her how to create a proposal document for bigger jobs, and we showed her how to run free consultations with our free consultation blueprint. And the after effect of this was that she's now selling packages between 500 and 5,000 per month. The lead generation is now through webinars, social media influencers, and industry bodies. All of her clients are now lawyers. She's doing over 100k per month, and she has 3 staff. If this is of interest to you, then I'm going to sound a bit like a social media influencer, but check the link in the description of this and we could set this up for you. Thanks very much.